Today we're starting the pool table for Jack.
Old salvaged mahogany for the main body of the pool table.
That was salvaged out of Africa and shipped over to New Orleans, where it survived through Hurricane Katrina.
What we've got here is a solid glue lamp. Now this is extraordinarily stable. What we've got here is a product that won't warp, move around, shrink, or swell. And this is where a lot of the integrity and the strength of the table is going to be. This 7/8 mahogany wood will cover both sides of this trestle. I'm just starting to add the mahogany surface to these trestles. I wanted to go over some of the details before we button them up, because the architectural and engineering strength of the pool table will actually disappear and be buried behind all of the mahogany surface that we're putting on. Then this is one of the feet. It's like mahogany I've not seen before. And what we've done here is we've done a mortise style assembly with this big large tenon with a 7/8 inch sandwich basically on each side. So not only do we have the strength and the integrity of the glue lamp in the center, but we also have all of the strength and inherent integrity of this mahogany surface. It'll have a trestle that runs across here, creating this beautiful architectural detail. They'll come down here, and these will be sandwiched as well. Okay, you're gonna have to bear with me with the footage through most of this. It was mostly shot by myself. The scripting was done by me. Honestly, the catering truck never even showed up. Hair and makeup, they couldn't fix me. And wardrobe was the worst. The same kind of thing here with the glue lamp, solid interior, and then a sandwich with mahogany. Very, very stable product, and should turn out looking pretty sharp. I just finished the last detail on these MDF cores. Now we got to take them over and get them sanded, get them cleaned up and ready to ship to Philip. Woo! Oh, and they are beautiful. What do we got here? A pile of rock.
Yeah, pile of rock.
They look like they grew out of the wood. 9-ply American-made plywood as the superstructure for this pool table. This is flipped over, so the slate is going to sit on this. This will give you an idea. So this one is actually getting put together and is going to be dismantled and shipped down to Cabo, San Lucas in Mexico. And we're going to reassemble it down there. Now this is that same mahogany we saw earlier that was caked with mud, and it was cracked and warped and twisted and looked like old barnwood. This is the fingerprints of Mother Nature. Designing and figuring and building this thing, this is a part of me. The first rack.
And just bought the lot.
So you bought, you paid money for this?
Yes.
Okay.